Having trouble with your Tesla Model 3's washer fluid system? You're not alone. This video will guide you through common causes and fixes, focusing on the pump, fuse, and low fluid warnings. As of January 2026, these are the primary areas to check. Let's get started by understanding potential issues. Common causes include low fluid levels, pump malfunctions, blown fuses, and warning errors. The simplest fix for washer fluid issues is to ensure the washer fluid reservoir is full. The reservoir is located under the hood near the front bumper. Use Tesla recommended fluid, which is a mix of deionized water and additives to prevent freezing. A washer fluid low warning on your touchscreen indicates low levels. After refilling, the warning should clear, possibly requiring a reset through the touchscreen menu or Tesla app. False positives can occur due to sensor issues, which we'll address later. If refilling the washer fluid doesn't solve the issue, the problem might be a faulty washer pump. This is particularly common in Tesla Model 3 vehicles from 2017 to 2023, as covered by recall SB25-00-004. Symptoms typically include no spray from the nozzles or intermittent operation. To replace the pump, start by removing the underhood panel to access the components. Then disconnect the wiring harness carefully. Finally, swap out the faulty pump with a new one. Parts for the pump replacement typically cost between $100 and $200. If you're comfortable with DIY repairs, proceed carefully to avoid damaging other components. Otherwise, it's best to schedule service at a Tesla center. A blown fuse can also disable the washer system. Locate the fuse box under the hood. The fuse is typically labeled washer or shared with the wipers. Use a multimeter to test the fuse for continuity. A blown fuse indicates a short circuit or wiring issue. Replace it with a 15/8 fuse. Ensure there are no underlying shorts before replacing the fuse to prevent recurrence. Sometimes, the washer fluid low warning appears on your Tesla touchscreen even after you've refilled the reservoir. This persistent alert can be frustrating and indicates the system hasn't recognized the fluid addition. The warning could stem from two main issues: a sensor calibration error, where the system doesn't properly detect the fluid level, or a blockage preventing accurate readings. These are common false positives that affect about 15% of Model 3 owners based on recent surveys. Try cleaning the sensor first as a simple DIY solution. Locate the level sensor in the washer fluid reservoir and gently clean it with isopropyl alcohol to remove any debris or residue. This has resolved the issue for many owners, as documented in Tesla forums. After cleaning, recalibrate the washer system through the Tesla touchscreen menu or mobile app. Navigate to the service settings and perform a fluid level reset. This process realigns the sensor readings and often clears false warnings. If the warning continues after cleaning and recalibration, the sensor itself may be faulty and require replacement. Take your Model 3 to a certified Tesla service center for professional diagnosis and part replacement to avoid voiding your warranty. For deeper diagnostics into washer fluid issues, use the Tesla Service app or an OBD2 scanner to access detailed system information. The Tesla Service app provides remote access to your vehicle's systems. Connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to run diagnostics without visiting a service center. Alternatively, plug an OBD2 scanner into the vehicle's diagnostic port. This device reads error codes directly from the onboard computer, showing issues like pump faults or electrical problems. Look for specific error codes that provide insights into the problem. For example, BMS wash pump fault signals an issue with the washer pump motor or wiring. These codes help pinpoint whether it's a hardware failure or a software glitch. Tesla's 2025 Q4 update introduced a washer health check feature in the vehicle menu. This allows remote diagnostics and sends predictive alerts about potential issues, helping prevent failures before they occur. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding washer fluid issues in your Tesla Model 3. Regular checks and proper care can save time and money. Start with regular maintenance. Check washer fluid levels monthly and inspect components quarterly to catch potential problems early. Use Tesla recommended or biodegradable washer fluid to maintain optimal performance. Tap water can cause mineral buildup and freezing issues in cold climates. Regularly check and clean the spray nozzles to ensure proper spray. Dirt, ice, or minerals can clog them, so use a pin or compressed air for cleaning. Inspect the pump and wiring for damage during your checks. Look for signs of corrosion, loose connections, or wear that could lead to failures. Schedule annual inspections by Tesla service advisors to prevent most failures. Professional diagnostics can identify issues before they become expensive repairs. Stay updated with Tesla's over-the-air updates, which often include washer system recalibrations and improvements. These updates enhance reliability and add new diagnostic features. Tesla is moving towards software-driven reliability and sustainability. Future models may feature autonomous fluid top-ups and self-cleaning nozzles using ultrasonic tech. Tesla's gigafactories are prototyping smart reservoirs that monitor fluid pH and quality in real time. Expect fully autonomous washer systems in next-gen Teslas, reducing the need for manual checks. Stay tuned for these advancements.